The Lost Encyclopedia by Paul J. Hamel. In a mysterious AI accident, a delivery drone transports a copy of the 1990 Random House Encyclopedia to the beginning of the last century, setting off a chain of events. Bank clerk Willie Crane exploits its knowledge for profit through high-stakes bets with Madame Carlotta, a bookie and fortune teller. Willie's winnings draw dangerous attention. Willie Jr. and his wife are victims of a gang-related murder, forcing Willie into hiding. Willie leaves his orphaned grandson, Angelo, with his bitter wife, Diana. Angelo searches for his grandfather, aided by his friend Owen, and they uncover mysterious clues. Their quest intertwines with sinister figures named Cowboy and Little Sue, leading to thrilling adventures. This historical fiction begins in St. Louis during the 1904 World's Fair and ends in Palm Springs. When the book is stolen, a final confrontation takes place on the desert floor of the Coachella Valley. The Lost Encyclopedia is available on Amazon.